Hi guys, Dr. Rob Barrington here with some more nutrition advice. I'd like to talk today about citrus fruit and why we should consider citrus fruit more than just a source of vitamin C. It is true that citrus is a good source of vitamin C. Most people who consume their orange juice or they have a lemon or an orange, they think they're taking in vitamin C, and that's their association they make with that fruit. And that is understandable because we do know that citrus is a source of vitamin C. It's not the best source of vitamin C from fruit. There are other fruits, for example, kiwi fruit, that contain more vitamin C. And there are more important sources of vitamin C in the diet. Potatoes, for example, although they have low levels of vitamin C, we eat more potatoes, and therefore nutritionally to humans, they are a more important source of vitamin C. But we will concede that citrus fruit is a good source of vitamin C. However, is the vitamin C content of citrus fruit the reason that it gives us our health benefits? We know that consuming oranges, lemons, limes provides certain health benefits, possibly against cardiovascular disease, possibly against cancer. Is the reason for that the vitamin C content, or is it because of other things within the fruit? Firstly, citrus fruit also contains fibre. Now, I believe that fibre is an essential nutrient. It's not officially acknowledged as an essential nutrient, but I think that from the nutritional literature, we could possibly designate fibre as an essential nutrient, because without fibre in the diet, we develop deficiency diseases. I think you could attribute metabolic syndrome as a deficiency disease of fibre deficiency, and that leads to an increased risk of type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and also a risk of obesity as well. So it's likely that fibre is essential for human health, and citrus fruits contain fibre. They contain pectin, which is an important soluble fibre that has been shown to lower cholesterol levels. It's been shown to help blood sugar regulation, and it has other important health effects in the gastrointestinal tract. It may be required for example, the correct function of enterocytes. So pectin is an important fibre found in citrus fruits that may provide some of the health benefits of those fruits. However, there are other nutrients within citrus fruits which may also provide some of the health benefits. Now, as well as fibre, citrus fruits are also a good source of flavonoids. Flavonoids are a group of biologically active plant chemicals. They're absorbed in humans and they have biological effects in humans. Plants use them as antioxidants, and they also use them as a chemical defense against pathogens. These flavonoids are a very diverse group. There are over 4,000 known in plants, and when we consume fruits and vegetables, we consume a range of these flavonoids. The flavonoid that is found in citrus fruit in particular is called hesperidin. Hesperidin is chemically called hesperitin 7-rutinoside, and hesperitin 7-rutinoside is the aglycone hesperidin joined to a sugar molecule. Now, when we consume the hesperitin 7-rutinoside, we remove the rutinoside, which is a sugar, in our guts, and we absorb the hesperidin, which is the aglycone form of the molecule. In our enterocytes, this molecule is then conjugated, it's glucuronidated, it's sulfated, and the addition of these molecules in our enterocytes causes the molecule to become more water soluble, so it can be transported around the body. There are further processing steps in the liver where some of these molecules are methylated, and these conjugates that we produce in our enterocytes and our liver then have biological effects on our tissues. Now, the biological effects of these glucuronoids and these sulfates and these other conjugates is unknown. Generally, there are very, very few cell culture experiments or human experiments that are done on these metabolites, but cell culture experiments and animal experiments have been done using the aglycone hesperitin. And generally, hesperitin shows anti-cancer effects in human cell lines, and it may be a very strong antioxidant in the body, and that may be the reason that it shows epidemiologically those people who consume more citrus fruits tend to have lower risks of cardiovascular disease and cancer. And these flavonoids may actually be able to have some of the effects of vitamin C in the body. For example, there is evidence that if you provide these flavonoids in the diet, they can actually prevent scurvy. Now, scurvy is the deficiency disease that you get when you have a deficiency of vitamin C. But these flavonoids appear to actually be able to prevent scurvy to a certain extent. So they have some kind of a role in providing, or probably sparing, the vitamin C you do have in your body to allow that vitamin C to then go and form collagen to prevent you getting scurvy. So they are very important for human health. Now, if you've read my website or you've seen some of my other videos, you will have seen that I'm a big advocate of consuming a wide range of fruits and vegetables. And the same can be said for citrus fruits. What you need to do is consume a range of citrus fruits. Now, grapefruits are a great addition to breakfast. Oranges are a great snack. You can carry them around in your bag, take them to work. You can have one for lunch. Lemons and limes are a little bit more difficult because they're not the sort of fruits that you can consume easily. What I would suggest is, if you want to consume lemons and limes, that you combine them with other foods. For example, if you're going to have some, perhaps you're going to have grilled tuna, you can put some lemon on the grilled tuna, and this will be a good way of taking in the nutrients from that lemon. The lemons and limes are more difficult to consume in your diet because they are so bitter. You could make drinks out of lemons and limes. You could put some hot water in a glass and squeeze some lemon and lime into the hot water. You could add it to your fish, as said before, or you could actually roast meats with lemons and limes as well. And that's a good way of adding the fruits to your diet. So what I would suggest, as with all of the fruits and vegetables, is that you consume a range of citrus fruits, and don't consider citrus fruits just for their vitamin C content, because they also contain fiber and they also contain this important group of nutrients called the flavonoids.